I'll put that up there.
Hey, here, watch my moves. You're fucking around! Rock and roll!
I'll tell you how to dance like that.
That's some great moves.
Yeah!
Don't hit me.
Yeah! Yeah!
That's not a very good move.
Yeah! That cool move?
That's a great move. Can you sing the Snoopy song?
What? Charlie Brown?
Yeah, do the Charlie Brown song.
Dun 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 dun.
Yeah.
Okay. The wrong one. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Can we watch that video right now?
No.
Why?
Why?
Because it's not Halloween.
Right.
I still want to watch it. Please, one time. One time. This one time. Please. Can you say yes? Please. You want to watch the Halloween Charlie Brown?
It's February.
But I still want to watch it. Please. Please. Can you say yes?
What are you going to do for me?
You can just watch it with me if you like.
I don't know.
Please. Pretty please.
How much?
$10.
$10. Okay, go get me $10.
But can you help me get my penny bank?
You have that much money?
Yeah.
You're going to pay me?
Yep. Come on. Let's do this together.
Yes.
Mommy, Daddy won't know.
Look at him right here.
Come on.
I have ice on my boober.
Please can we watch that Halloween one?
Well, it's not even up here. It's in the Halloween box.
Can you go down, Daddy? Can you quick, Daddy, quick downstairs? Can you get it? Please, please, please.
I don't know.
Say yes. Can
Yeah.
you say yes?
I can say yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Then now you have to go get it.
Huh? I just said yes.
But you have to go get it. Yes means you have to get it.
Is that what it means?
Yeah. So if you say yes, you have to get it. If you don't say no, you don't have to get it.
Can I sit on the couch? Say yes.
Say yes. Can you get it out of Can you get it out of that cool box, please?
Which cool box?
Just all the Halloween stuff. And the skeletons, vampires.
The
Please.
scary guy?
Yeah. The scary guy. Take out that scary guy. Please. And the funny and the scary Charlie Brown. I like it.
What about songs? What songs do you like at Halloween?
Dun 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 dun.
How about Ghostbusters?
No.
You don't like Ghostbusters anymore?
Get a tissue. Travis.
No more.
Get a tissue.
There's no more burgers.
There's no more boogers.
Hey, get that camera out of
Here.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I want to take a picture.
Where's your camera?